In the last episode, we travelled from Malang to Pacitan via Trenggalek. In this episode, we cross a bridge, and another bridge, and another bridge, dodge some potholes, dodge some more potholes, hit some potholes, and dodge some more potholes.
Terlepas dari itu semua, ada keseruan dan suka dukanya masing-masing di setiap perjalanan kita.
Aku Sam dari Inggris.
And I'm Dara from Indonesia. Welcome to our channel,
Bule Gembel. In this episode, we travel from Pacitan to Yogyakarta. We see some pretty amazing scenery and some pretty amazing trucks too, which we pass. And I have some life-changing moments.
Yeah, so good. So me and Dara were just saying how beautiful the road was, and now it's all gone to crap. So many potholes now. Hopefully it'll get good again.
Dari Pacitan ke Jogja, kita akan ngambil jalur Pracimantoro. Terus kita masuk Jogja melalui Wonosari. Mulai memasuki perbatasan Jawa Tengah, lubangnya makin banyak. Dan beberapa jalan desa juga membuat jalur terasa semakin sempit.
Ya, lurus. You give him anything? You give him anything? Did I? Okay.
Do you find Pracimantoro in the middle?
Apa?
Pracimantoro.
Look, this is the route that we're going, yeah?
Huh?
This is the route that we're going. We're now going around here, and it's saying go straight there. It doesn't matter if we go round. I don't care if it takes longer. It's better if it does.
Yeah, we are right. Like,
Where do we want to go?
yeah, there. It's supposed to be there.
Want to go this way, yeah? Straight?
No, that way is right. Yeah,
What, the other way?
yeah, that way.
Okay. So we'll just go back there and down, yeah?
As we were getting closer to Central Java, the road seemed to get a bit worse. The scenery was amazing still, and here we are, crossing the border to Central Java. At this point, the weather was absolutely baking. We're talking 30 degrees centigrade. The only reason why we were wearing jackets was to keep the sun off us.
Bus dan truk di jalur ini emang lebih sedikit, tapi saat masuk Wonosari, disitulah pertarungan sebenarnya dimulai. Bis pariwisata, truk pasir, hukum rimba seakan berlaku. Tikungan, tanjakan, dan turunan yang tajam, salib kanan, salib kiri, memacu adrenalin.
I was getting road rage. Big time.
At this point, we were bloody tired. When we found this gate, we knew that Jogja was only around 2 hours away, which kept the spirits high.
sekarang kita lagi di Jogja, tepatnya di Angkringan Jarot. Ini tempat nongkrongnya komunitas Vespa Jarot Serentak. Aku kalau ke Jogja pasti kesini, dan kali ini ngajak Sam.
Hello.
Halo. Ya, jadi kita minum kopi jos di sini.
So here we have traditional Jogja coffee.
Kopi jos.
Coffee Jos.
Ya, kopi jos ala Jogja.
Ala Jogja. Coffee Jos ala Jogja. It has charcoal in it. Actual charcoal. Don't ask me.
Now you have to stir it.
Stir it.
Yeah. And drink. Careful. Charcoal. It's strong, yeah?
Yeah, really strong. Tastes like charcoal. Like coffee and charcoal.
Nanti bakal keliling-keliling buat cari-cari spot foto. Yang pastinya banyak banget spot foto di Jogja. Pokoknya pantengin aja, dan jangan lupa subscribe. Bule Gembel nih bulenya, nih gembelnya.
So Dara, what's the idea of people meeting like this in Jogja?
It's I can say like it's a culture in Jogja that people hang out in angkringan. Angkringan is like that's like a food stall. They sell like some food, like a finger food as well.
What's the score of sitting on the floor?
Oh, sit on the floor. We call it lesehan. Yeah, lesehan. It means sit on the floor. Yeah, it's the trademark, I can say, of angkringan. If they hang out in angkringan, they will sit on the floor, lesehan, and drink this. This is kopi jos, originally from Angkringan Jogja. Kopi and charcoal.
So how did you meet these guys? What's
So-
the history?
Gimana kita ketemu? So they have a community, Jarot Serentak and Bidadari Vespa. Because I am Scooter Nona from Malang, girls community. So she also has a community for girls. And Bidadari means angel. Nela, say hi.
Is everybody here Vespa community?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Most of everyone.
Yeah.
is-
Most here.
They found each other by Vespa. Ya. Yo, jadi sekarang mau ngedrone dulu jalan kaki dari tempat tadi ke Tugu Jogja. Ini tugunya. Jadi kita mau what are we gonna do?
We're gonna pop the drone up, I think.
Okay.
Find somewhere quiet to put it
Yeah.
up.
And
Yeah. Should get up in a second, hopefully.
okay.
Fingers crossed. Turn around.
Turn around, turn around.
Yeah, I know.
Ngapain sih mbak? Mbak, maaf ya. Ya Allah, masuk YouTube.
Apa?
Tadi Betty lagi gini, ini masuk YouTube.
Kamu tahu anjing? Iya.
Lu jangan dengerin.
Kamu wis mangan urung ayang?
Ayang,
Apa?
wes mangan.
Whiz, yeah.
Wes ya, wes. I'm a mess.
We're both a mess. Says that way now. Looks pretty off-road, baby. That is like the biggest toad I've ever seen.
Knalpotmu copot.
I can't touch anything. I can't.
Don't touch.
Yeah.
Hari ini kita dapat kiriman dari Violet Kamera. Segala macam pernak-pernik kamera bisa kamu dapatkan di sini. Cek Instagramnya ya di Violet Kamera 7. Terima kasih Violet Kamera.